Well, fam, James Googadall back here again tonight. Just making a video, guys. I finally ran my race, did the PG Ice, man. Our team did great. We excelled. We did an 8K ski, a 10K run, a 5K skate, a 5K run, and an 800-meter swim. And we had a great time. Minus 20 degrees Celsius. Didn't make it that easy on the lungs as we were running around outside. But, hey, we got the job done, and we had a blast doing it. So now that I'm home, I thought I would look at some crypto, and today I want to focus on Icon, and this is a pretty cool project. It's a Korean coin, and it has some potential. It's down a bit right now. This Eric Cho at Crypto Cho on Twitter, this guy puts out a lot of good calls. Seems to be very engaged in the Twitter community in regarding to crypto, and I believe this man knows what he's talking about. And he is calling for a major pump on Icon. Now, when it's going to happen, hard to say. Could peter out over here and then have a good boost. You know, it really wouldn't surprise me as volume is increasing. And this is a great project, Icon. A lot of people are calling Icon to be a top 5 coin. Currently trading at $4.30, up 17% since yesterday. Has a circulating volume of 381 million and change, total supply of 400 million and change, and market cap of 1.6 billion. So what I would assume is that the people who are definitely more knowledgeable than I believe this is a $10 billion coin. So that would give this a 10x on its $4.30, you know, potentially making this a $40 coin. Now, could that happen by end of year? Well, if we look to last year, I guess we could say anything is possible. Already it has had a high of over $12, actually $12 and about 4 cents up here. And so now we've got a low, what was its low here after the drop? 317. And so now we're up to 430, and 24-hour volume has been $66 million or 7,800 Bitcoin, and that's not too shabby, all right? Its current rank is 21. You know that's good. Top 30 coin. Pretty fantastic. Current markets are trading at 420 billion. It's 420, y'all. And I don't know, guys. I think Icon is a project worth looking into. I was just having a quick snoop at their white paper, and they kind of want to be a middleman of a crypto coin. They want to be connecting other cryptos together. They want to be connecting blockchains together. It says Icon is inspired here by Gilles Deleuze and Felix Guattari's Horizon, the world with no center point and the world where any point is a mere connection to other points. So it's like an infinite connection coin, and there may be massive potential for that in the real world. I think they have a good team behind them. Looks like they're doing a good job. This is one of the better white papers I've read, and they're moving, guys. This coin is moving. I would just ask you guys to do your own research. I'm obviously not pumping this coin. I have no influence regarding that, but I would ask that you look into this coin. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Tell me if you think that if it's a top 5 coin by end of year or by the end of 2019, does it have the potential to connect other blockchains, to connect cryptos, to connect the world? And is it going to 10x by the end of year? Few people think it will. Eric Cho is one of them. Anyways, guys, if you're not following me on Twitter, go ahead, give me a follow. I'll follow you back. And like, subscribe this video. What I do, guys, is that I just look at coins that I think are interesting to me, that have huge potential, and I just do a quick chat about them. I'm not getting too technical with you. I'm just showing you some things that I think are hot, some things I think are interesting. And right now, I think Icon is interesting. Now, we know the markets are still down from the highs of 800 billions. You know, we're half that pretty much. So we're either going to tank again into the 200 billions like we saw 2 weeks ago, or we begin the steady climb onward and upward into the year, recognizing that crypto is a very volatile commodity, and there will always be ups and downs. But so long as we buy low and sell high, we will win. Anyways, guys, this is my opinion on my video. I offer no financial advice. Please do your own research and enjoy the trade. Take care, y'all. Bye.